You finally connected an Amazon MCP to Claude. The chat window opens. You stare at the blinking cursor. You don't know where to start. That's not your fault. Every AI for Sellers tutorial shows you the connection step and skips the day one question. The people who connect an MCP and never ask anything useful in week 1 cancel before week 4. Not because the data was bad, because nobody told them what to type first. 3 questions. Run them in order on day 1. Each one pulls from a different data layer: inventory, ads, customer voice. By the end of question 3, you've seen the AI hit all 3 of your main business surfaces, and you walk away with 3 numbers you can act on Monday. Hi, my name is Maike Intro, Non-Din's AI avatar. Non and the Seller Labs team have written the script for this video. We've sold over $80 million on Amazon since 2012, and our platform downloads over 50,000 Amazon reports every single day. We're your guide to the AI revolution in e-commerce. If you like this, click like and subscribe so you don't fall behind while your competitors figure this out first. Question 1 is about the units you don't know you're paying to store. Paste this exact prompt into Claude. What are my 10 SKUs with the most units sitting in FBA longer than 90 days? And what's my total storage fee exposure on them? Amazon recently moved the aged inventory surcharge threshold down to 271 days and added new fee buckets at the top end. Units sitting between 90 days and the surcharge zone are the warning lane. Sell-through is slow, fees are escalating, and your warehousing dollars are silently bleeding while you focus on launches and ads. What you get back: a ranked list with unit counts by age bucket, monthly storage fee per SKU, and age surcharge exposure across the top 10. In one prompt, you've seen the trapped capital map of your business. For the top 3 SKUs on that list, decide: markdown, remove, or wait. The same prompt run 90 days from now tells you whether the decision worked. Question 2 is about the ad spend you've already paid for and haven't reviewed. Paste this: which of my advertising campaigns has the worst ACoS over the last 30 days, and what's the wasted spend? Amazon sponsored products. ACoS currently averages around 32% across categories per Marketplace Pulse. Any campaign sitting well above that with low or 0 conversions is the easiest leak to plug. You've already paid for the data. The AI just surfaces it. What you get back? Campaigns ranked worst to best by ACoS, total spend on the bottom 3, and the search terms inside those campaigns that converted 0 times in the last 30 days. What to do? Add the 0 convert search terms as negative keywords. That's a 5-minute action, and it compounds every day you leave them in. If this is the kind of insight you want for your business, hit subscribe. We do this every week. Question 3 is about which of your listings are silently losing trust with buyers. Paste this: show me my top 5 ASINs that dropped below 4 stars in the last 60 days, ranked by monthly order volume, so I know which to fix first. Star rating is the single most weighted conversion signal on Amazon. A drop from 4.3 to 3.9 stars can cut conversion rate 15 to 30% on the same listing. The MCP surfaces these drops in seconds. You fix the listings that move the most money first. What you get back: a ranked list of slipping listings with current star rating, prior rating, drop magnitude, monthly revenue impact, and which crossed the 4-star threshold. Open the review tab on Amazon for the top 1 or 2 ASINs on that list. Read the actual 1 and 2-star reviews. Update the listing copy, A+ content, or product image based on what buyers are flagging. That's a same-week fix on the listing moving the most money. 3 prompts, 3 data layers: inventory health, ad efficiency, listing customer fit. The 3 pillars Amazon's ranking system already rewards. Run all 3 on day 1, and you've audited your business at a depth that used to require a $500 a month consultant or a 50-tab spreadsheet. You don't have to do this manually every Friday. The simple version: open Claude, create a project for your Amazon audit, paste the 3 prompts as the project instructions. Every Friday, you tell the project run, and Claude refreshes all 3 against fresh data. For true set and forget, save those 3 prompts as a Claude Code subagent, one file inside your project's agents folder that bundles all 3. Schedule the agent via your operating system's task scheduler to fire Friday morning, and the audit lands in your inbox before you open Seller Central. That's the pattern Claude Code is built for. Turn a recurring sequence into one named agent, automate the run, get the output without ever opening the chat window. Not every Amazon MCP exposes all 3 data layers yet. The Seller Labs Amazon MCP covers all 3: inventory health, ad performance, and star level review data. The official Amazon Ads MCP covers question 2 only. The questions are universal. The connection is what varies. So here's the question. Of these 3, which one would you ask first if you're MCP connected right now? The trapped inventory question, the wasted ad spend question, or the slipping star rating question? Drop it below. See you in the next one.